Hey, good morning everyone. This is Leanne and welcome back to our channel. And today is December 2nd, guys. And every Thursday of the week, I have a morning duty. And so when we have morning duty, we come to school earlier than usual. So usually at 7 o'clock. And then we're going to watch out where we are assigned. And for this month, I am assigned here at the dome. So, guys, basically, our vlog today is what we do in a day here in Thailand. Our gate duty, guys, starts from 7 o'clock to 8 o'clock in the morning, and this is where I am assigned for this month's duty. Okay, so after duty, it is now time to go to the office. Well, I have
Good morning.
8 o'clock class, so I don't have time to sit down. And here we are now in my cubicle. Yes. So since we have no more time, we have to make a copy of this lesson that I need to give to my student.
Make a copy, please.
Okay. So I'm a bit late already. We need to rush, guys, because my students are already waiting upstairs. Enrichment class. Oh, this one's new. Any new, lo?
New machine.
Wow, super nice. How about this one?
สต็อปนิดนึงอันนี้ใช้ได้สแกนกับก๊อปปี้แบบว่าสโลว์โอเคนอกนั้นนอดนะโอเคคิดชื่ออย่าง
This one's super fast. Oh, come on, that's not papers. Okay. He was calling me teacher. I have no paper. Okay. Because of this pandemic, my class is divided into two groups. One group will be staying at school and the other one will be studying from home so that it won't be too crowded and everybody will be safe. After that class, my 8 to 9 class, I have 1 hour to rest and prepare for my next lesson because I have 2 more classes before lunchtime. In the afternoon, I have 1 hour class in grade 6 and I will be done for the day. After my regular work at school, I have extra tutoring job at 4 to 5 p.m.
The formula of finding the area of the triangle? You don't? Okay, so that is area equals to 1/2 times base times
My
height.
tutoring job is not done yet. I still have 5 to 6 p.m. and I am teaching a 4-year-old little girl. She's very cute, guys. Look at that. She is so happy every time we study. So after the whole day of working, it is finally time to be with Adam. And we also went to a basketball court in the park and watched a game. Okay, lovely people, thank you so much for joining us. And please don't forget to subscribe and be good to everyone.